Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant, Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Denise of Fort Collins. I was with insurance company for 30 years. That's a long time, okay? I was also or always in good standing and filed only a few small claims over that period. So a few, 3, so one claim every 10 years. Trust me, the insurance company made money on this client. We were in need of a roof replacement due to wind and hail damage. The insurance company would only approve replacement of those specific shingles. The shingles were discontinued, making it impossible to get the same size shingles. The insurance company wanted us to have the contractor cut the available shingles down to size and use them to repair our roof. What? No way. True, right? Like, come on, people. Since we needed over 45 shingles replaced, that would leave our roof looking like patchwork and inconsistent in the ability to protect our home. It was a poor solution to the problem. We complained to the insurance company about their denial, another review, and they still denied the claim. What? This is what I'm talking about, okay? If you have a claim that is a full replacement cost policy, okay, let's step back. If you have a policy that's a full replacement cost, and then you make a claim, and then they want to do a patchwork quilt on your roof, no, I'm sorry. If your shingles are discontinued, okay, you are owed a better, as good or better than what you currently had solution if you have a replacement cost policy. Again, each policy differs, so don't complain to me about your policy not included. You know what I'm saying, right? What I'm getting to though is this. When the insurance company denies that type of claim, especially if it's discontinued shingles, you have to push back, you have to fight, and you have to know how. That's the other thing is, you can't just say, well, this is unfair. Of course it's unfair. They don't give a crap. That's why they're still denying the claim. If they did give a crap, they'd be like, you know what? You're our client. We want to treat you fairly, and you have the policy that covers that, so here you go. No, but they don't do that, right? When you get to this point, you have to have somebody helping you, somebody on your team, somebody on your side representing your best interest to make sure they're actually paying what's due based on the policy. If the policy covers it and they're not paying for it, you have to question why. So if you have a patchwork quilt roof replacement as a suggestion from your insurance company and you're unwilling to deal with that, you should contact us today. BellatorClaims.com. Contact us today.